In today's video, I'm going to teach you Facebook Messenger, Chat, Shopify. Add Facebook Messenger Chat to Shopify. We'll walk through adding a Messenger chat bubble to your Shopify store using the Qchat Facebook Messenger app. This will let customers reach you instantly from any page, and their messages will land right in your Facebook page inbox. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, make sure you're on Home so you see the standard navigation. Open the Apps section from the sidebar to access the Shopify App Store and your installed apps. In the search field, type Qchat Facebook Messenger. When you see the suggestion appear, select the Qchat Facebook Messenger result. This takes you to the apps listing in the Shopify App Store. Click the Qchat listing to open it. If you'd like to preview how it looks before installing, use the View Demo Store link. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify may show a couple of highlighted prompts for permissions or confirmations. Just continue by clicking the highlighted Install or Continue buttons until the installation begins. You'll likely see a second install confirmation screen from Shopify. Click Install again to grant the required access so the app can add the chat bubble to your theme. After installation completes, you'll land in the app. Click Getting Started to open the guided setup. Choose the option labeled Setup under 2 minutes. If you're prompted again with the same quick setup option, click Setup under 2 minutes once more to proceed to the next screen. Select your current theme so the app knows where to place the chat widget. Next, connect your Facebook business page. Click Connect your business page, and if you see a notice that your page is not connected, click that prompt to start the connection flow. Follow the on-screen steps to choose the correct page and approve permissions. A quick tip here: you need to be an admin or have the right permissions on the page you're connecting. Once your page is linked, turn on Enable Facebook Messenger Bubble. This activates the chat icon on your storefront. Then open Facebook Messenger Bubble Setup to fine-tune how it appears. Here you can adjust the bubble's position, color, and greeting text so it matches your brand. If the app offers device or page-level visibility options, set those according to your preferences, then save your changes. That's it. Your Messenger chat bubble is now live on your Shopify store, ready to help shoppers get answers fast and convert with confidence. If you don't immediately see it, refresh your storefront or clear your browser cache.